Let's talk about the power of collaboration in the classroom. The idea or the term collaboration is nothing new. We've all been collaborating for many, many years. The idea of group work and working together towards a common solution, nothing new. But the idea of students collaborating together in their classroom settings is a trend that is happening more and more because educators, as well as professionals, are seeing that students, especially in a K-12 setting, need to know these life skills before they get to college and before they enter the workforce, that the idea of collaboration also involves a lot of crucial life skills, like being accountable for something. When you work in a group and you have a role that you represent or something that you're responsible for, that's learning how to be accountable for whatever responsibility you've been given. And so accountability, listening skills, the art of listening is huge. We live in a very distracted culture. And so students being able to listen well to the people who are speaking is a tremendous skill set that everyone needs. Not only sitting there and listening, but listening to respond, having empathy, not interrupting, things like that. And along with that, when you're a better listener, you're a better negotiator because you've been able to actually actively listen and engage to what the speaker is saying. And you need to be a good listener and a good negotiator when you're working in a collaborative group. Along with that, learning the art of asking a good question. Of course, teachers say there's no such thing as a bad question or a wrong question. That's true. Please ask questions. But the ability to ask a really wonderful invitational question that will draw information out of the respondent is an art, and students need to learn that as well. These skills are great for collaborative efforts in a classroom, but they're wonderful for collaborative efforts in life. And teachers have the opportunity when they're doing this to model these expectations for their students, whether it's in a K-12 classroom or a college setting. Model how to collaborate, model how to instruct, but also model how to facilitate. Learning how to facilitate a group of people is a 21st century skill that everybody needs. And so students are not only learning the power of collaboration and the skills needed to do that, they're also learning how to facilitate a small or large group setting through their teacher. And so that is a huge asset to them. Collaboration should really be a keystone or cornerstone to any curriculum, and it should give students the ability from pre-K and kindergarten through 12th grade and college as well, opportunities to collaborate, engage, and work together, because that is something that will benefit them for the rest of their lives.